Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download EBS volume configuration for safe VPS scaling, complete guide step by step clearly. To download your EBS volume configuration for safe VPS scaling, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Volumes under the Elastic Block Stores section. Here, you will see a list of all your EBS volumes. Identify the volume you want to download the configuration for. Select the volume by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Next, look at the Details pane at the bottom of the page. Take note of the specific attributes, including the volume ID, size, and volume type. To download the configuration, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Create Snapshot to initiate taking a snapshot of the volume. Fill in the required fields, such as a name and description for the snapshot. Then, click on the Create Snapshot button to save your changes. Next, go to the Snapshots section in the left sidebar. Locate the snapshot you just created from the list. Click on the checkbox next to your snapshot, and then select Actions again. Choose Export to S3 from the drop-down options. You will need to specify an S3 bucket where the snapshot will be stored. Set the permissions and any other settings for your S3 bucket if necessary. After configuring the settings, click on Export to start the transfer. The export process may take some time, depending on the size of the snapshot. Once the export is complete, navigate to the S3 service. Locate the bucket where you exported your snapshot. You will find the snapshot file available for download. Click on the snapshot file to download it to your local machine. You now have a safe backup of your EBS volume configuration. This backup will help you in scaling your VPS efficiently. Review the downloaded configuration periodically to ensure you have the most up-to-date settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.